Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for Amazon Secured Card. Open the website, then click on the account and list on the upper right part of the screen. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number, then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account and Lists. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. Under Other Programs, you will see an option that says Amazon Credit Cards. Click on Amazon Credit Cards. Here you will see different Amazon cards. Look for the section that says Amazon Secured Card. Then click on Learn About the Card option on its right side. Next, read the description of what Amazon Secured Card is and steps on how it works. Once read, click on Review Terms and Apply. Before proceeding with the application, a pop-up window will appear showing the two set of features of the Amazon Secured Card. Make sure to read it before clicking Continue to Application. Then, review the following details. If everything looks good, click on Continue. On the first field, enter your date of birth. Then on the second field, enter your SSN or ITIN number. Lastly, enter your annual net income from all sources. Then click on Continue. After that, read the terms and conditions of the Amazon Secured Card and make your deposit. That's how you apply for Amazon Secured Card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.